Hi all, Archana here. In this video, we are going to talk about rapid antibody test kit. So, before getting into the topic, I just want to deliver a small message. We all know that COVID 19 patients have been increasing across the globe and in India, but for the first time, the record is only the growth rate of COVID 19 increased patients is only to 6%. So, we can take this as a good sign. Now, when we come to the rapid antibody test kit, we are going to read about what is rapid antibody test kit and how does it work. So, firstly, this rapid antibody test kit is for the speedy detection of the COVID-19 patients. Now, when we talk about hotspot zones, we all know what are hotspot zones. So, this rapid antibody test kit is being used on the COVID 19 patients at the hotspot zones. And according to the ICMR in its interim advisory, they have suggested to use this rapid antibody test kit for the speedy detection of the COVID 19 patients at the hotspot zones. This rapid antibody test, that is RT-PCR, is a kit which is being used for the to detect the positive cases of the COVID-19 with the help of the throat and nasal swab. And when a person shows a negative after the test is being done, that person has to be home quarantined. And when we talk about this test is equal to that of the blood test what we normally do, and the result is within for about we get the result for about within 20 to 30 minutes. When we talk about rapid antibody test kit and how does it work, rapid antibody test kit is nothing but serology test. So when we talk about what is serology test, if a virus enters into a person's body, this person will get affected with the virus and it will be into his nasal and throat swab. And after the same person, if you go up after 8 days, the same person will start showing the symptoms of this virus with the when you take the test of the same nasal and throat swab, and later the virus will start falling. And when we talk about antibodies, what are antibodies? Antibodies is nothing but this when a person is infected with the virus, the body will start preparing a weapon to fight against this virus. This is called the antibody. So there are two types of antibodies, that is IgG and IgM. IgM antibody is when a person is infected and with the COVID-19, and this antibody will help when you test with the when you check with the antibody, this IgM antibody, it will show that this virus is this antibody IgM is recent. Then now when you talk about IgG, the same thing. When you check in with a person when you take a test of the IgG antibody, when you find IgG antibody into the same person, that means the infection is the old one. And now the ICMR chief has also given a small example of chickenpox. When a person is infected with the chickenpox, and now the antibody helps to fight against this chickenpox, and if the antibody is strong enough, the same person cannot get chickenpox again because this antibody fights against this chickenpox. Now we all know that rapid antibody test kit has been bought from few of the Chinese manufacturing companies. India has bought about uh, 5 lakh antibody test kit from two of the main Chinese companies. So this antibody test kit, now they are saying that this is at few of the states have been reported this antibody test kit is faulty. That means it is not giving an accurate result when they check on the COVID-19 patients. Now the ICMR has suggested the states to stop using of this antibody test kit as it is at fault and it is not accurate, and they are going to send few of the teams to the particular states to find out how accurate is this antibody test kit. And now India, there is a South Korean based company in Haryana. So now in India is has ordered antibody test kit for lesser price when comparative to China. And now this South Korean company is been manufacturing this antibody test kit for lesser amount. That is that whatever they had this antibody test kit which is being bought is double in when compared to China. But now, as I told you, the South Korean based company which is in Haryana, they are selling the same antibody test kit for the lesser price. So I hope you all understood what is antibody test kit and how does it work, and I hope this information was useful to you all. So let's meet up in my next video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then.